yo, that's a boy.
ICT Cabinet Secretary William Kabogo has responded after becoming the subject of intense online trolling over his suitability to lead the ministry. On Tuesday, May 13th, social media platform was flooded with memes trolling Kabogo over his technical literacy. Netizens poked fun at what they perceived as his lack of ICT knowledge, creating elaborate jokes and memes that portray him as technologically unskillful. One meme making rounds featured a fictional exchange in which Kabogo allegedly confuses web browsing with traditional Brium Muratina. The post read, the ICT guy asked, "Ati bwana CS unaweza tumia Chrome kubrowse?" And then Kabogo answered, "Hapana Chrome, nipewe Muratina." Another joke featuring the CS read, "Ati umesema wewe ni koda wa route gani?" Most memes were captions on a photo of Kabogo droning an oversized white shirt, a red necktie, tight brown khaki trousers, brown striped socks, and brown safari boots. In his response, Kabogo took the trolling in stride and noted that he was enjoying the memes. "I'm enjoying it. If no one makes such, you need to be very worried," he wrote on X. Notably, since taking over the ICT ministry as CS, Kabogo has made remarks that have often landed him on the receiving end. For instance, while speaking in Eldoret after the annual Data Privacy Conference in January, Kabogo once hinted the government could switch off social media, noting it had the capability. Of course, the capacity is there in case we have situation of national security importance. For example, you know what happened to Rwanda when the radios were used to genocide purposes. If that happens, we will switch them off, he said. These remarks sparked outrage on social media, forcing Kabogo to clarify his statement. "I would not envisage or imagine where we would switch off social media. The discussion of switching off is not on the table at all. And I want you to remove it, even from yourself. It is not there," he said in an interview.